Hey everybody, so welcome back to Cozy Crafts by Lindsay, and today I am making a quick video to show y'all the flowers the flower blanket that I just completed, and it looks beautiful on the back of the couch. Okay, so my sister requested that I make a blanket for a couple that has gotten married. I got the inspiration off of Pinterest, and it is called the English Garden Blanket Pattern by Dad's Place. I got the inspiration off of it, but I didn't follow the pattern. I made up my own pattern for the flowers. There is something about having to do a ton of single crochets for me that hurts my fingers. So I made this one, and it's not single crochet to make petals. It was easier for me to make up my own pattern for these flowers because, like I said, the single crochet, it hurts my fingers to do a single crochet, and then you do that for every one of these petals. Well, then I was like, well, I gotta find a solution because this hurts my fingers too much. So I did a little test on some of the flowers. Not some. I did a test on one, and it turned out so well. I added one extra color because that is what was in the lady's bouquet, and I think that works so well. We have white, purple, and this one's a little bit dark, but it's a burgundy, a yellow, and more of a pink orange or pink orangey color. If I can get those words out of my mouth. Yeah. And of course it was finished with green. Now, this is what the back looks like. I know y'all ain't interested in the back, but I thought that looked so well because you're just creating a big circle and just adding petals to it. But for me, I like the back to look just as smooth. It ain't gotta be as pretty, it just needs to look smooth. I don't like it to look too messy. But yeah, I think this is gonna be perfect on the back of somebody's couch. And I hope they enjoy it. This was just a quick little video to let y'all see I have been busy. I just hadn't been filming like I should. If y'all want me to make a tutorial on how I made these flowers, I would gladly do it. I will show y'all how I made the square. Attaching it is another whole story. Look, y'all. Look at it. Ain't it pretty? So like I said, if y'all want me to make a tutorial on how to do the square, leave a comment, like, of course subscribe. I mean, who wouldn't? Okay. Well, y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video.